Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here guys, we'll be working on Lincoln MKX guys. And if your blower motor fan doesn't work guys, we'll show you where to find and how to replace the blower motor fan resistor. This is very important part guys. If that resistor doesn't work, your fan may not work, or the fan may just work on one speed only, or it just blows a little bit of air and not all the way on high. So we'll explain where it's located and how to replace it. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So what do we need to do now guys? Okay, we need to go ahead and open the passenger door, okay, right here, and the blower motor fan is located behind the glove box. So how we guys remove the glove box now? Okay, let me explain to you quick. I'm going to scoot the seat all the way to the back so we have more room. This is your glove box guys. Okay, and now you need to grab the glove box on each side and you need to squish in. There is two stops, one here, one on the other side, and that way the glove box, okay, will come out. Okay, like that. Now you can see that stop here guys. Grab it, okay, push the box in a little bit and it comes okay, here's a wider canal on the front, you can see, and it comes out. Now if you want, you can just go ahead and pull the glove box out, okay, like that, so it's not in the way. Now guys, here you can find your cabin air filter. Okay, this is your cabin air filter, and past that guys, okay, on the back side, okay, right here now, okay, this thing right here, it has only two screws guys, only two screws. This is your blower motor fan resistor right here. So not very complicated to remove guys, but how we do it, okay, you need to get a short Phillips head screwdriver guys, okay, and you have to have small hands, okay, and just remove. Let me show you where the screws are now. Okay, one screw is okay right there on the left side and one is on the right side guys. So I'll try to get the light in a better angle so I can show you where things are a little bit. It's such a limited room guys, such a limited room, but you get the idea what needs to be done. Okay, and how you disconnect the wire, let me show you how to disconnect the wire. You may even want to disconnect it before you start on it. Okay, the wire, there is one clip towards the back side, okay, on the left side right here, and you need to spread that clip out and you're going to pull, okay, the wiring harness out of there. And I'll need a flathead screwdriver, small screwdriver, and we'll be able to pull it out. It's just super narrow guys, but eventually guys you can remove the two screws and replace that, okay, that blower motor fan resistor, because that resistor is the one that will cause guys, okay, will cause the fan not to work properly. So okay, the clip is right here now. Okay, you can see that's how you do it. And at the same time, okay, you need to pull it up. Okay, and the connector came out guys. All we have to do, remove and replace the two screws. Now this will take forever guys to remove them, I'm honest with you, because you have to have small hands and you have to work all the way around it, but you can see where the screw is, one here on the left, one on the right. So as you can see, this is the blower motor resistor, that's how you remove it. You just have the two screws. After that, all we have to do, put it together in reverse order we took it apart. You can check out in the description of the video below where we get the replacement part from. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.